Alright folks, let us talk today about the Dji Fpv image stabilization and image quality. The stabilization you can find on this drone is the Rocksteady one, which is not the best. The Rocksteady stabilization number 2 has just been released on the DJI Action 2. I've made a video about the DJI Action 2 and why you should or you should not take it for your FPV drone. Most people mount some GoPros on their quads because it allows them to have more setting options, for example FPS and stuff, and the quality, I think GoPros are the way to go for action cam. Not saying they're the best, but at least you have some stabilization options in post-production. What else? So why do people choose GoPros over other action cams? The image quality, dynamic range, real steady stabilization are much better than the camera of the Air unit. 100% true. Enough talking of GoPros. What do I have to say about the DJI Fpv image stabilization and image quality? The sensor size is the same as the Mavic Pro first generation. So in 2022, this is not the best sensor size. So same sensor size, same image quality. Today, the Rocksteady stabilization number 1 is not the best on the market. The image quality is not the best, but it's decent. I would not fly the DJI Fpv professionally because, as I said before, the image quality is decent, but could be better. If I were to compare with some GoPros image quality and stabilization, it's second to none. It has nothing to do with it. That's all I have for today, guys. Cheers.